part of home remedies. Welcome to all of you to learn these home remedies today. So the part of home remedies today, Yoga Mudra for diabetes. So my dear friends, this whole Yoga Mudra for diabetes, which is very, very so important. So most of the people, they used to suffer. So with this diabetes, as a type 1, type 2 diabetes, and they are suffering and they are taking the tablets throughout the lifetime. They have been consuming it. It is very, very damaging and dangerous, and their health will be deteriorated year on year, and then they'll be marching towards the graveyard as soon as possible. Right? So this is what happens, because they keep taking these chemical medicines. Now, instead of that, so we need to have some alternate methods. What the best alternate methods is, one of the such kind of the best alternative medical system, the healing system is Yoga Mudras. The part of Yoga Mudras today, Apana Mudra, we are going to practice so that anybody who is suffering, the diabetes, basically, even the diabetes which is worst or which is really the peak level, it also comes down with a consistent practice of this mudra called Apana Mudra. Now, Apana Mudra, we know very well. So we have been practicing for a long time. This is Apana Mudra. This is Apana Mudra, my dear friends. So the middle finger and the so-called the ring finger, both will be touching gently the tip of your thumb finger. Then keep erected other 2 fingers. Then you have to keep on the thighs and then start practicing. So this you practice. If anybody is suffering with a more amount of diabetes, just practice for 15 minutes at one shot. After that, come to the Prana Mudra and practice for another 15 minutes, my dear friends. Prana Mudra is this. We already know this. The last 2 fingers will be touching the tip of the thumb finger. This is called Prana Mudra. Right? Practice for 15 minutes. So friends, apart from this, Apana Mudra is going to cure or providing the great relief for the diabetic patients. This also got the greatest other benefits also. The other curing, that means it is going to provide the curing and the relief for other diseases also. What are those? Let's understand. One thing is constipation. The constipation will be taken care. It will be removed by Apana Mudra. Please follow this. If anybody is suffering from constipation, please, they have to follow this. Okay. Other thing is, anybody is having the hiccups. The hiccups will be coming sometimes. Vomiting sessions will be happening, right? And stomach pain will be coming. With these things, with these kind of a symptoms also, you can use the Apana Mudra. And if anybody is suffering from the migraine, my dear friends, use this Apana Mudra for 30 minutes, and other 30 minutes will be Dhyana Mudra. This is the treatment for the so-called migraine headache, using Apana Mudra plus Dhyana Mudra. Okay, this is what this we need to do. And so friends, especially for painless delivery for the pregnant woman, what they need to do is they will be given a due date in the hospital. Before 1 month of the due date, this Apana Mudra has to be started, which ensure the free painless delivery. The natural painless delivery, it is going to ensure. But other 8 months, so that means, let's say ninth month the delivery date, due date, but 8 months, these 8 months, you should not practice this Apana Mudra. You are not supposed to practice. You can practice Prana Mudra always. Or you can practice Yoni Mudra. Yoni Mudra, we all know this, right? So we all know, we already seen, this is the Yoni Mudra. Yoni Mudra, keep on your so-called abdomen and start practicing. Pregnant women, any other women who are suffering from this period issues and so-called menstruation cycles. This is called Apana Mudra. Sorry, this is a Yoni Mudra. Yoni Mudra is like this, and the other mudra as I indicated. So painless delivery, practice only Apana Mudra. Right. So this for Yoga Mudra for diabetes.